Hey, Stefan is here today, and we're going to install the rock shaft housing. And we have the surfaces all cleaned up, ready to go. And we're going to fit it one time first. We want to make sure that we get this properly mounted in the right position. Make sure that we do that right. It goes up in here. So we're going to set it down on there and make sure we get it all fit. Then we're going to lift it back up and then install the gasket. Okay, Kevin is low. Stefan is lowering the rock shaft housing back onto the rear differential, and today we have a front coming through or something, some kind of weather. The wind is blowing like crazy, 35 miles an hour. So if you hear the wind noise, that's what it is. We're getting it down straight and going to make it fit on there. First, we're going to put it on without the gasket to make sure we can line it up properly. And then once that happens, we're going to lift it back up a little bit, put the gaskets back on, and then we're going to close it on up. So let's watch Stefan work here and see how that goes. Looks like he's getting it. Ooh, that wind is blowing. Let me do this one. You got this one? Now that one is lower than this one. It's going to have to be pretty level to fit on that thing. There we go. Let me go wash on the other side. I'm going to wash it from this side. Make sure. Okay. I'm going to need that light. Hold up right there. Yeah, that light. That didn't work. Let me come around this side. Let me get my light. Caught under this big ass tire. All right, Stefan's lowering it down. Okay, come on down. Hold it. You're on it right there. Come on down. Come down with Clay's the other hoist a little bit. All right, you're on it. Looking good. Now come down the other one. Oh, let's see. Hold it. Hold it right there. It missed. Let's see.
Does it have to?
No, I just got it. Okay, I see where it
Go
is.
forward or backwards with it?
It was good right there. It's in place.
It's just going to be hard for me to hold it without bending it.
Yeah. Hold it right there.
All right.
Come see. I think that's it. Come take a look. How's that look?
Yep.
Good?
Yep.
All righty.
So we have to keep this shaft down with this the roller pin. Make sure it's in the down position.
Huh?
And then it's going to have to hook.
Then what?
The bearing that what you call the roller bearing, the rider bearing.
Yeah.
Well, we're pretty much in line here.
Okay.
So just go down a little bit at a time.
Hold it. Yeah. Lower the other one now. Clay's. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Looking good. All right. Now you resting on the stud on your side.
All
Gonna have
right.
to push it back just about a ½ inch.
That's what I was thinking. And then come forward with it once it.
Yeah, come back.
You want me to come down with this one right
No.
here?
Yeah, you're resting on it all the way. The whole thing got to come back to me, ½ inch.
Hold on a second. I can see the stud over here.
You want,
There we
right
go.
there.
That's it.
Okay. Okay. Come down on the back one, the big one,
Okay.
a little bit. That's it right there.
Want to keep coming?
Yeah. You on it. Let's see if it goes all the way. Hold it. It's lift up that one or let the other one down. It's kind of teeter-tottering on it.
Yeah.
Is that one loose?
There you go. The front's coming down. There you go. It's sitting on it.
Yeah.
Except that side, yeah.
It's a little crooked.
Yeah.
I mean, the back there's no gap in the back, but they got a gap in the front.
Yeah.
Lift that one up a little bit. No, you got to go up. See? Now, you can do it by hand too, but just by pushing on it without flipping the thing. Like that. There you go, right there. Okay? All right, you're good right there. Kind of wiggle it a little bit, see? All right.
It's rocking.
Huh?
It's rocking. Something on your side or.
All righty, come on down with the back a little bit. This one right here. Let's see what happens. Come down 1 notch. To the other way. Okay. All right. This back side's all the way down. You got a gap on this side right there.
It's got me wondering if that.
Huh?
It's got me wondering if something's.
All right. Hey, pause the video so it don't be too long. And
you know what it is? It might be those bolts that are hanging.
Might be the bolts, because we got a little gap right here. We check that out so the video don't get too long. There we go. All right, let me make sure our video is on. Yep. We have the rock shaft housing all lined up, and it will not go all the way down because in the back right-hand corner, there's 2 bolts that don't come out. You have to unscrew them as you're lifting up the housing and screw them in as you're putting the housing back down. And they just hitting the top. The bolt hits the top, so you have to screw it down, lower it, screw it down, and lower it. So we're gonna stop right here, go to lunch, come back, then we're gonna put the gasket on, and then we'll do the final closing of that section. We're still waiting on shims for the front shaft right here for the end play. And John Deere had to get them from some other place, and they said it'll be in next week. So we'll be able to finish up the front next week, and then we'll be able to put them back together. So stay tuned. We'll be back in just a little while, right after lunch. Okay, everything is pretty good. We did a test run, and now we're going to put the gasket in. And we're not going to use any type of abrasive or anything. My John Deere did it. This is going to be on the top anyway. I don't think it's going to leak. So we're going to go ahead and put it on just like this. There we go. Let me get rid of this one. And which way does it go? This way?
Yes.
All right. Let me go for the back. All right. That goes in there.
We might have to flip it.
Flip it.
We might have to, yeah, because you see, it's not. This isn't sitting. No.
Okay. dropping out. Look, I see, let me wipe it. I see some water on that side.
Yeah, that fits better.
That's what?
It fits better that way.
Fits better?
Yes.
Okay. Let me get it off. See a little bit of water. A little bit. No. I'll wipe it off. Nice and dry. Yeah, right here. There, you got some water on there. There we go. Now, let's try again. Yeah.
There's something that. There you go.
There we go. Like that.
Yeah.
Now, the light, and you can go ahead and drop it on down. Wire's short. Okay, I'm gonna watch this right here. Okay, so, okay, let's do it. Get back to the little bit, right? Okay, right, so get the other one down. Hold it, hold it. Let's see. Yeah, right there. Okay, you got it. Okay, the other one. Hold it. Okay, back in place. Okay, it's back in place.
Keep coming with the little one.
Okay, let's come back with the back one now. The
Okay.
Come down with the big one. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. Hold it.
Oh, just
Okay, come down the other one. Okay, back to straight no more. One small one. Okay. That's it. Now the big one. Okay, hold it right there. All right, now I'm gonna have to put that bolt in.
Okay.
Get that bolt started. You got a wrench. 3/4 inch. Can you see if you can find me a 3/4 over
Yeah.
there? By the window, they got some. I got it started. Yeah, I got it started.
No. Here you go. Here's a 3/4 right here. It's a sharp one.
I don't think it's 3/4. What's this?
Three quarters.
3/4?
Yep. This is a short one here. Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna hold that light for you, or?
There's a little quick video to show the arm lever coming out from the differential. It goes all the way down to the bottom to this load shaft, and it comes up and goes around, and then it fits up in here, and the rollers on the little lever are behind the lever pushing it forward, and the lever will rest on this shaft right here. It rests on it like that, and the rollers are right behind it. I can go around the back and get another view. Let's go get another view. Stefan is here today. Howdy, Stefan.
Hey.
Ready to get this thing together. All right, checking out the fenders. I'm gonna put that on next. Let's take a look down here, see what we can see. There it is. Focus. Focus. There we go. You see the two sets of rollers. The outside roller is just to the right. It's just a linkage from the arm coming up, and the one to the left is where the lever goes in between there. And that's where it goes when you set it back down, just like that. I'm coming to focus in this little bitty. All right, Stefan, thank you so much for the help today.
You're welcome.
We even got boom bolts and all this shit down here in the country. Okay, now we actually have put the hexel shaft through the oil pump out to the front and just left it there. This one, I'll take a look at it, see where it comes out. And it's coming to come out right here, and it's going all the way through the front shaft. Right here. There it is. And we're just gonna leave it here for now. I want to make sure that it lined up through the oil pump all right, which it did. So in a week, next week sometime, we'll get the shims in for this, the correct ones, get that fixed, and after that, we can go ahead and put the two guys back together. Thank you. I actually have one more piece that I want to put in now before I forget, that goes inside this here. It's a guide, and it's for the hex shaft, and it goes up inside here, up inside there, right in there. So it just slides on the end of the shaft like this and goes all the way back up in there. I'll go ahead and push it back, spray a little oil on it, and that way I won't forget it.